I'm passing them like I'm Ishibo.
Haibo.
Narakiristically silo.
Malum, waka re startile rap group na.
Hey man, fall back. I wanna prepare like the grannies.
The grannies.
Yeah, get the grannies for the 60 and above homies.
Man, we went from Safasa Apela to Cyphers. It's not make sure.
Hey man, chill with the talk, cause you're not like us with a gap so wide bed akupaka bus. I've never seen an afro that is 80% dust.
Yo.
Yeah, ne.
Hey, yeah. Get the hell out of here, man. Get out of here, boy.
Real talk. Keep it a bug.
Yeah, man. Mutol. Utorimo.
It's a new rap from Chicken Licken. Baby Jorg is snake rapping. Wanna go rap while I have my rap? I grow one now you dissed me. Please step away from my snake rapping. You are dismissed. Hey Malum, I thank you for agreeing to drive and my butternut to our date tonight.
It's the least I could do, Mutol. So this is the closest you can get to a metric dance.
I care what one our offering Babialo.
Ungamnagi sugar lips. Just focus on our hot wings date. Yes, I can't wait.
Hot wings, Malum. Stop a colleague, Olivia. Kirikostele this individual Uber.
Hey, Bo. You and Manj.
I thought we were having PCs.
Relax. I get like a go soul square meal. I bet the hot wings PC plus a Licken loaf.
Ow, Musuano Matsiba Jotle Malum.
That's why I put Don style.
Whoa, Lea guy. Katsaba soul square meal it's like the hot wings, chicken PC and a Licken loaf. Marashapaka +1.
Motol. What's about 2 hits are better than 1. Imagine what 3 can do.
3 is a crowd, Malum.
Hamba.
At least give me the loaf. I've been playing this game before you were even a concept. You don't want any class.
Abu and only more mileage than a Cressida. By the time we war, get a big betty KO.
Okay, let's go. Black Sep. Yeah, can I plan? I must run past Mapaseka so that Motolo can be distracted. Really 10 years. Just not check us.
Ow, Malum, what better detour, I thought we are running that way.
Oh, I was just keeping things interesting. Skatunyera Motolo. Joke.
Yeban, Mapaseka, Mpuchemo my stainless steel. We're busy next week. If we can rebat any more home affairs resign once, because I send a woman after. Wait, Malumi. Malumu finish this slide Kamuka. You're supposed to eat one at a time.
Next time we need to focus on one thing at a time. We call them Mapaseka.
Yeban, Malumi, when I got Nagi made this marathon in silence.
When I run, Kitile the heartbreak songs. Or cook a whole of all the women I must run away from.
Aye, whatever.
Yay! Udia! Just because it's a better toilet, I mean, no toilet. Mapa!
Ish Malumi, the soul bite chicken motivation yak. 1 soul bite 1 kilometer. Venga Sheraluanagi too short.
Look at it this way. Hoka Sheralina, you will have less kilometers to run.
What's about king? Alright. Archobe the soul bites Jerry goes to marathon.
Yay, Gamutina Pimafila vote.
Narla peel. Hopala chief tail rear.
Jelly logo.
Maramorana.
Jelly logo. This is a touch is a move marathon. We only finish at the finish line.
Henekimudi, Mr. Masha. You think he's the one wearing headphones?
Maran Tueban.
Kitimilo, those ones are a bunch of losers. And the team are robber, man.
Sounds like the chest pains they have successfully landed. Kobudi Chorotoro lost supporter team. Up at the last time they won, Mandela was still president.
And it was so like bother again the most. I could have done better. You go better Tamaya, Rakatalis, by 2 gonna go one. Kabasa Dukulo Rakamukali reserve. Galata Golika, show me your number. Bodo ya Lamzanet.
When I'm a little Uluda could have showed.
Waraloka.
When I got Bura verse roll or the chest pain, it generally migrated to your stomach.
I get the Bura verse chita. Let deliver Yakashi Fiki.
Hey, but Namalu. King Yalo you. It looks like the Rolls Royce of the Buravor's Rolls.
It's the new cheap witch from Chicken Licken.
Give me a bite of that.
We say, may I have a bite of that?
Okay, may I have a bite of that?
You may not. Ja, to let the boss the boss things.
Malo.
Sugema bossy.
Excuse abuti, ngwana o re hello.
Hey, how I feel alien or udit next don't see himself. I'm sure better the brick fall look amu.
Too much. Iblam ke nahano mnema Donesa.
Ee bana, ngwana o thagalla go bona wena. A ipula e kana ka di-hot wings.
When on jealous because ge bana ba bona scary movie. Ntho tša bošego.
Ee malome.
Sorry abuti, ngwana o kopa hot wing.
No problem. Here you go, my poncho nonos.
Hey, are o kopa e nngwe.
Hey, ngwana o ka re o tlo mpheta. Mosadi o lo mpheditše lena.
Ba go betile ka the 419 man scam.
Motlogolo, please share with me for the sake of the baby.
Hey. It's not my fault you are a victim of the baby in transit heist.
Motlogolo.
Taba re feta.